Want to make money from your Instagram account in 2026? Whether you're a creator, small business owner, or just growing a niche audience, Instagram offers several ways to turn your content into income. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the most effective monetization methods and how to get started. Before you monetize anything, make sure your profile looks professional. Use a clear profile photo, write a strong bio, and explain exactly what your content is about. Brands and potential customers should immediately understand your niche. Next, focus on posting valuable content consistently. Reels, stories, and carousel posts can help you reach more people. Yeah, consistency matters because monetization opportunities usually come after you've built trust and engagement. One of the most popular ways to earn money is through sponsored content. Brands may pay you to feature their products or services in your posts, stories, or videos. Even smaller creators can secure partnerships if their audience is engaged. Affiliate marketing is another common option. You share a special referral link, and when someone makes a purchase through that link, you earn a commission. This works especially well when you recommend products that genuinely fit your audience. You can also monetize by selling your own products or services. This could include digital products, online courses, coaching, consulting, merchandise, or physical products. For many creators, this becomes their biggest income source. Depending on your location and eligibility, Instagram may offer subscriptions, gifts, bonuses, or other creator tools. Check your professional dashboard regularly to see which features are available on your account. And that's how to monetize your Instagram account in 2026. So focus on building trust, creating valuable content, and growing an engaged audience first. Once you have that foundation, monetization opportunities become much easier to unlock. Thanks for watching.